I'm connected to the DJI Osmo Action 6. I'm gonna put you on the mount I'm gonna put you on the handlebars and then put this in my helmet. So 1 second. Right, I got you connected. You're probably shaking there. If Rock said he's good, we're gonna find out. So I'm going to have to keep it under 60 because I've got my son behind me. So let's see how this footage does, how the sound quality is. Ooh, hold on a second. That was a bit of a bump. Yeah. So the last test I did on the Insta360 Mic Air, it was a go, trust me. I liked it a lot. And the last setting I did and test for the DJI Action 6, I've got it dialed in how I like it. So I'm going to keep it as is with regards to the settings. I got it on stereo and minus gains at 12, that's the maximum. And I have low cut on and so forth. I've done that, you can check out the video. Did I upload it? I don't know. Anyway, if I didn't, I'll upload it. Maybe I'm referring to my old channels. No worries, because I can revive that content because I still have it. It's still fresh and raw and available. So what am I testing? Sound quality, you see. So I found the sound to be best below 60. And the best time to do this test is my son, because I'm not going to drive above 60. So under 60 is where we're at today. So let's see. Yeah, so a lot of people didn't like the Mic Air for motovlogging. I liked it when I did my test. It was fine, and I had a different helmet, by the way. I had the Shoei Notech, I can't remember what it's called, Notech 3, whatever. And I had in that helmet, and that helmet, it sounded perfect to me. So let's see. I need to break in this engine. Every day I say tomorrow, something happens, something comes up. So I thought today would be the best day because I have nothing planned and nothing's going to take my time. So I'm out riding. Oh yeah. Let's do this. Come on. I've also got the CPL lens still attached to the Action 6. Because I like the footage I saw last night, and I'm guessing it's going to be good footage today too. I should have changed the color profiles with the pre-installed filters that you get with the new firmware update, but I thought let's just rock it as it is, fully auto, and just keep the CPL lens attached. At least we can see what it's like in its full glory stock configuration. Yeah. Gonna change direction where I'm going. Yeah, so I got my parts all installed except minus the handlebars because they didn't come. That's on the way now, so I'll book it in to get the handlebar swap done. And the reason I'm booking it in, I want to do it myself, is because I'm really busy this week. So anyway, what else did I install? Oh yeah, so I got my zombie levers for my saddlebags installed. They're by Koreakin. I had the Flash and Supply shifter link also installed. I installed the crown that goes over the key location. And what else? Oh yeah, saddlebag custom dynamic lights, sequential it's called, I think. Yeah. And what else do I have? installed, oh yeah, the rear fender, extended stretched fender to fill up the gap in the back, because I didn't like the center fender being like skinny in the back with the saddleback stretched. It didn't look right, so I got that changed too. Yeah, so I'm hoping now the sound quality is going to be good. That at least that, you know, back up the statement I said when I first switched on the camera that the Insta360 mic is good. Either I'm going to bite myself in the rear end, or it's going to be a pass, and you're going to think, yes, it is good. We'll see how it goes. As you saw, I had that little ring, rubber ring that goes around the Insta360 mic here with the fluffy part on it. Dead cat, that's what I called. So far so good. Let's see. And I have the wind settings on strong. That's for the external mic on the, sorry, the built-in mic on the camera itself. So if that's picking up something, I don't know how it's going to sound like. It's got strong. I did buy this new kind of accessory for the X5, which is called the muffs that go over around the X5. It looks like it's got a little headset on. I think I should show you that one day. I will when I'm ready to. Yeah, I was hoping to go for a long ride today, but things came up, last minute changes. Had to go pick up the kid from school. Otherwise you would have been seeing me now on a ride to a very far location. It's about 2 hours away. That would have got my mileage up as much as I wanted it. So this is at 60, and I hope that the sound quality is good, because this is where I found the best sound quality for the mics, especially when you do motovlog. But if you're doing vlogging, no issues. But when you come to motovlogging, because it's loud, the engine noise and so forth, you're going to have to get the speed under wraps, because you can't go above 80. It just sounds distorted and wrong. I'm going to have to find a way how to figure that out anyway. So anyway, in due time, because I'm happy with the settings I have right now, so everything's fine, everything is good, and it passes my checks for me, what I want to do for me. That's what's important, you see, for me.